Hey everyone, this is Katie Bergman, aka That Pineapple Realtor, coming to you this beautiful morning. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video, we're going to talk about open houses and why they are beneficial for you as a seller, and most importantly, how we can keep you and your family safe. The first reason that we love having open houses for you is it gives a window of opportunity for buyers to come in and check out your home. Normally we do them on the weekend for about 2 or 3 hours, and that definitely gives buyers the time to come in, check out the property. It also gives me a really good chance to kind of go through and pre-qualify buyers and see if they're actually interested and what their motivation is as far as coming to the open house. We get your home ready to list and get it ready for the open house. There's a couple things we'll do. Of course, I always come through and I help you get the home ready by giving staging advice. I'll let you know what to declutter, what to take away, how to make the rooms look a little bit larger, and really just get the property ready. We also follow all COVID safety protocols, so hand sanitizer. Appointments are available for open houses, so people can schedule an appointment to come in. We have 3 people in the home at a time, so if there's multiple people, they wait outside until it is their turn, and we're always sanitizing knobs, countertops, leaving doors open, things like that, just to keep exposure down for you and to make sure, of course, that we keep you and your family safe. Another option that we've been recently exploring are virtual open houses. These are really, really neat. In fact, a buyer doesn't even have to leave their home. All they would do is log into, well, first, I would be at your home for the open house, and I would create an event, a link event that people could log into. It would be posted all through the MLS, so all buyers would be able to see it. And basically people would just log in and I would be able to give them a personal tour of your home without them even setting foot in. So that is always another really, really great option to utilize when doing open houses. Times are changing, and as we all know, so keeping you and your family safe, of course, is my most important, priority in having an open house. So in working together, we can decide what is going to be best for you and your family, whether we want to have an in-person open house or if we want to do a virtual open house. Either way, in working together, we can definitely come up with a safe way to conduct your open house for you. Of course, if you have any other questions referring to real estate, please get a hold of me. My name is Katie Bergman, That Pineapple Realtor, and I'm with Keller Williams Platinum Realty here in Berks County, 610-764-3139. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.